The purpose of this video is to walk you through a drop ceiling installation for the Freestylist. The Freestylist must be installed directly over the stylist's chair. Consult with the salon owner to determine how far the chair is placed from the mirror. 42 to 56 inches is typical. This is very important to get right. Mark the ceiling where the center line of the dryer should be, which is directly over the client's head when they are sitting in the chair. Check above the ceiling for obstructions. If you have 12 inches of clearance, drill a 2 1/8 inch hole at the marked center line in the ceiling tile. If you do not have 12 inches of clearance above the ceiling, you may require a different installation method. Contact Freestyle Systems. Please take note. This is not a cord rewind device, it's a constant counterbalancing tool made to eliminate the dryer's weight while the stylist does a blowout. This shows where the ceiling tile should be marked. These are the components that come with a drop ceiling installation kit. There are many different mounting positions the drop ceiling installation kit can be configured to. If you have a low upper ceiling, the Freestylist can be mounted close to the ceiling joists. 2 1/2 inches is the farthest the cord can be from the center line over the client's head. Installation pan, rotated 180 degrees, shows how close you can come on either side of the ceiling joists. Assemble all the drop ceiling kit components except for the cord guide assembly. Leave screws loose until positioned properly. Then tighten. Attach the assembly into the ceiling grid as shown in the next section. Support the assembly with baling wire or chain to the ceiling above. This shows a properly positioned installation kit. The cord guide's hole is directly where the dryer's cord should be. Loosen these 2 cover screws on each side of the Freestylist. After placing the Freestylist into the pan assembly, tighten these 4 cover screws. Wire each Freestylist with its own dedicated feed on a 15 or 20 amp circuit breaker. Install the ceiling tile that had the hole drilled in it. The cord will hang out of the hole. Screw the roller cord guide first into the close nipple and then into the pan. If necessary, use the spacer if the ceiling tiles are thicker than normal. When properly installed, the dryer can move up and down and around the client's head. Perfectly adjusted, the dryer will float weightlessly in the stylist's hand. The systems are factory preset so that the dryer will drift down slowly once pulled from its resting location. To test, pull down the dryer, let go of it. The dryer should float down like a feather. This is what a finished installation will look like.